I want to discuss the curious case of Mr. Sarfaraz Khan with you. What do you think?
यार सरफराज खान का क्या सीन है यार, क्यों उसको नहीं खिलाया जा रहा है? फॉर मी आई सी हिम लाइक अ mini Rishabh Pant.
Mhm.
He is not the technically strongest batsman like
Yeah.
KL Rahul
Yeah.
in Indian team.
Yeah.
But he is effective, especially in India.
Mhm.
मतलब अगर तुम इंडिया में उसको नहीं खिला रहे तो कहाँ खिलाओगे फिर? आई मीन आई अंडरस्टैंड इफ दे डोंट प्ले हिम इन इंग्लैंड,
Yeah.
बट वेस्ट इंडीज टूर में भी नहीं खिलाया. आई थिंक लास्ट they took him to Australia tour.
Yeah.
I know Ayaz Menon has also raised a point after seeing a newspaper article about the curious case of Sarfraz Khan.
Yeah.
Uh, there is no transparency around why he was dropped in the first place,
Yeah.
in spite of being in good form in Australia, and then he was just gone.
Yeah. I mean, एक पॉइंट है कि लाइक उसको मतलब देख नहीं रहे, या एटलीस्ट इंडिया में भी नहीं है वो. So he's not even making that squad. So I don't know if he got like exposed during net sessions in Australia, या कुछ खुलासे मतलब सीक्रेट उसने रखे नहीं है, and it kind of leaked out, but there's no clarity, there's no insight given by the selectors.
I think I remember we were discussing about कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया टूर के वक्त ऐसा कुछ हुआ था जिसमें कोई मेंबर ऑफ द टीम ने टीम की बातें बाहर मीडिया को फैला दी.
Yeah. But it's all speculation.
It is all speculation. There were speculations that someone from the team
Yeah.
leaked things.
Correct.
टाइमिंग ऐसा है कि उसके बाद सरफराज खान
दिखा नहीं गई. और अगर ये
सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ,
Yeah.
I hope that is not the case.
Yeah.
I hope Team India is not decided or selection does not happen based on these things.
Yeah.
Because these things you can talk with the player and you can improve things.
Right.
Uh,
I also feel फिटनेस इज नॉट एन इशू, बिकॉज अगर फिटनेस की क्लैरिटी दी है या ये बोला कि वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग बेटर फिटनेस, तो बंदा तो भाई पूरा अलग इंसान बन चुका है.
हाँ,
यू कैन सी द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन.
exactly. And in terms of talent, he is one of the best in the domestic circuit.
Yeah.
We were talking just recently. We were talking about Amol Muzumdar.
Yeah.
कि domestic में इतना legend है Amol Muzumdar, but he didn't get to play for India.
Yeah.
Although Sarfraz Khan did play for India, but very few matches. He has never gotten a long rope.
Yeah.
And I think if he gets a long rope, he can prove his worth.